Hi, it's Grace, your creative slash unemployed bestie. And today, we are finally living out our gay summer. And if there's anywhere that deserves this kind of adventure, it's in El Nido. Good morning, guys! Nagising kami na maaga, guys. Like, literally 7 a.m. Tapos, pagkagising namin, nandyan na agad yung sundo. Wala nang palit-palit. Ito na yun. Sapatos and all.
Halfway na
Malapit
tayo.
There.
2 hours na lang.
Diba? 2 hours pa tayo mapupudpud ang mga puwit.
Ang sarap matulog. Malalaman ng mga ganap.
One, two, three, go! Shut it! Hi guys! It's already sunset time at lumipat kami dito sa Las Cabañas. So watch tayo. We are having cocktails again. Amaretto sour naman.
Habang ko to ah.
5 piso! Saan naabot ang 5 piso mo?
Ayaw naman tayo. Sorry, 20 na siya.
Sorry, 20 na. Ano mo pa? Isa pa. Ay!
40 na siya.
Dali pa ano natin. Good morning, guys. Late na kami nag-start kasi fiesta dito sa El Nido. But it's all worth it. So, Tour A, Island Hopping, Hard Snack.
Tara, upload ka na.
Thank you so much for visiting as part of your vacation, okay? I hope to all of you enjoy. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Alright, so once again, thank you so much.
Morning, guys! Kakagising na namin. Pagod pa kami sa tour. Pero we're going to Kisleo. hinatid din kami from Jesus Travelers Inn. Meow, meow. Meow, ay. Dermatology. Later pa 2 p.m. yung check-in namin. So, dito muna kami sa, ano ba to, holding area, I think.
Ikaw, friend.
What do you prefer? Pineapple jam, orange marmalade?
Orange marmalade is what I think.
It's much better. What is this strawberry and jam?
Talog nito.
Hi, we're here in Peace Leo. Kinuha namin ang Deluxe Garden Suite. So, good for 4 days kami dito. Ay, nako, talagang mararamdaman mong sumasukses ka na step by the step eh. This is the El Nido Cruise. Dahil dyan, let's enjoy this El Nido, baby! Update, change outfit ako kasi babae pa pala kami, layo pala ng nakpan. Let's go! We're going to
Nakpan!
May tag pa yung damit ko. Parang binalandra ko naman na meron akong Zara outfit. Good afternoon guys, after a long drive. Actually, hindi naman siya long drive. Mga 30 to 20 minutes. And then, mali yung pinarkingan namin. Doon lang sa pinakabungad. So, nag-walkathon kami. 5 minutes walk. By the way guys, dito kami sa Ankle. So, malayo yung Nakpan Beach from city proper. It's either mag-motor kayo or mag-rent kayo ng car. Kami, nag-rent kami ng car. Yung na-rent namin is Mirage. Almost 2K. Tapos yung gas and all. Yun lang naman. The food is here. We are going home and this bitch is ready to party. Sundan nyo kami sa aming pag-uwi. So, let's go, Margo.
Uy, may aso
Oh
bakla.
my God, there is a dog show.
Anti-rabies.
Ayun, dilim, piso na tayo lalakad nito, Ti. Dito. We
Dito
are
sa
lost,
gilid.
we are lost, Daddy.
Tabi-tabi po.
Hey! Sino kaya ang mananalo sa ngayong season na ito? Finally, after 10 minutes of walk, let's go! Canopy walk today alone, solo adventure for the day, so let's go. Nutella. Sige yung strawberry sa Nutella. Tag-isa lang. Ay, ang sarap. Ano pa, malamig pa. Thank you. Hi! We are now here in, I don't know, malapit sa Lime Resort. And ang ganda. So, saan tayo for tonight?
We'll be rocking this, bitches.
Yeah, it's Sunday and mag-ano kami. Street party because it's festival. Pagkataon na festival ngayon sa City Town. So, pupunta kami doon. Yung mga nakikita sa TikTok and all na lumalabas hanggang sa street. Yun yun, ngayon yun. And we're good to go! It's party time!
Good morning, guys. Tulog pa yung tatlo kasi pumarty talaga kagabi. So, gagawa muna ako ng kape.
Nag-apply ako ng Citronella dahil dito sa Leo Beach, ano dito? Nick Advisory. This is the outfit and my trunks kasi magbibilad tayo ulit. That's why let's go. Okay, since hindi ko nadala yung diary slash-journal notebook ko, gonna do a, what do you call this? Digital journal. It's March 18, 6:30 p.m. And sunset is there. Mas maganda yung sunset pa rin sa Vanilla Beach because likod to. But still, ang ganda ng beach. Diba? Priceless siya kahit mahal papunta sa especially here sa Leo Beach. Mahal talaga dito. We stayed for 4 days here. Mahal. But anyways, everything is worth it. How I wish that makabalik ako dito ulit. Achieve ko na rin yung pantay. I mean, hindi siya pantay talaga. Hindi na katulad dati na hanggang dito or ito lang nangingitim kasi mas naging confident na ako on my body. With my body, I mean. Palubog na rin ang sunset and yes, I just want to enjoy the moment. Cherish the moment. I love life. I love me. Keep on growing. And yeah, XX.
Bye-bye.
Our chef for the night. Thank you. So this is our food, guys. May siomay na 4 na piraso. May spam, corn, and hot dog. And later on, bumili din kami mga snacks. Kasi nga, mahilig kami kumain ng late night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. At nagugutom na ako, ate ko!
Okay na to.
Kung nilagay sa plato dapat, dinilagay ko na dito sa
Wakas hindi mo lunch
Braso lang, tilas mo pa.
Okay, and what do you do for a living, for example?
Sakit ah. Dami ah.
mag-ano, vlog-vlog na si Jaggy. Para mapagpangga pala. Nag-vlog. Medyo mainit na. Actually, bakit? Hindi ko din alam. But, this is the view. Ang ganda, di ba? Like, come on guys, this is the Philippines. Not in other countries. Sa atin to. Good morning! Gising na pala sila. Kakatch up ako sa White Lotus. Watch tayo ng isang episode. Actually, nakaka-fantasy yung White Lotus kasi nandito rin kami sa beach, gano'n. May pinunta sa Puerto Princesa, te? Very White Lotus na yung resort. Yama ba yun? Oo, nag-dinner kasi kami dun sa Yama. Tapos very White Lotus yung atake. Wala lang, na-fantasy lang ako. May 2 episode na akong hindi nakaka-catch up. So, watch tayo, episode 4. Matapang to, baka mag-palpitate. Uy, ang sarap! Diba very El Nido ang feels? White Lotus. Okay, we're checking out, going back to Puerto Princesa, and then tomorrow we'll go home na. So, I don't know if dito ko na ma-end, but maybe magi-glimpse na lang ako or montage ng mga happenings after this. So, yeah, this is our El Nido trip. Finally, na-checkan na mga drawing, yes. So, yeah. At 12 na. So, mag-check out na rin kami. At naghihintay na sa terminal yung van transfer namin going to Puerto. So, till next time. XOXO.